Hey everyone, my name is Nijat and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to create captions with just one button. For create captions, we will use Brevidy. If you are ready, let's jump in and see how it works. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, go to project and let's click import media and select example video and click open. So select this video and drag here for create new conversation and click play. Hey everyone, my name is Nijat and welcome. So right now I'm gonna save my time and add captions with automatic way. For this I will use Brevidy. Let's go to window, extensions and Brevidy. And with Brevidy we can use AutoCAD or captions. So today we will focus only captions. Let's click here. And I can see my credits, minutes and usage. So we can choose caption style. Let's click none, and we can see threadings captions. For see preview we can see like this, and there are more dynamic captions for create viral social media videos. So I'm gonna use these caption styles and transcriptions. Let's click here and model accurate. If I click this checkbox for turn off auto detect language, we can choose language here. We can see all languages here, but for now I will use auto detect language. So in this time, let's go to timeline and press X for select work area, and time to create captions. Let's click and waiting for results. Okay, it's done. Here we go. Let's click play for see results. Hey everyone, my name is Nijat and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to create captions with just one button. For create captions, we will use Brevidy. If you are ready, let's jump in and see how it works. Let's get started. It's awesome, very clean, very fast and very easy way for create captions. So let's back to Brevidy, and with this icon we can edit text here and this or this. With this paragraph tool, we can choose format captions, for example, lines or captions with two lines. We can change this one lines like this, or three lines like this, and let's change this too. And charts, we can change charts like this, and we can see results here, or let's change this 25. Okay, that's good. With this icon we can choose media tools. Let's click here, and as you can see here, with AI suggest clip or suggest emojis. And first let's use suggest clips. Okay, so we can see media file here, and for use this media file we can click download icon and waiting for download. Okay, let's click for see. Or we can search other media files here, and stickers, GIFs, emojis, and stock videos from pixels. For use, just click select. And for example, let's go to can't wait, select this and click select button. Okay, we can see adding files here. Let's click play. Yeah, let's jump in.
Nice. We can see and select this GIF animation, go to FX control. We can control positions like this. Okay, and also we can select captions and go to FX control and move it down here and select this GIF animation, move to left, and this GIF, let's move to right. Let's click preview.
If you are ready, let's jump in and see how it works.
Nice, I like it. And for now, let's delete these two GIF animations and back to Brevidy. So let's delete this GIF animation and go to again this icon. And right now, let's try use suggest emojis. We have three emoji, and let's click this emoji and this for download and this. And select this caption, move to down, and emoji, move to down. And select this emoji, let's select motion and move to here. select again emoji, go to FX control, select motion and move to right. And go to here, select this emoji and motion, move to left. So let's click play again. Yeah, I will show you how to create captions with just one button. For create captions, we will use Brevidy. If you are ready, let's jump in and see how it works. Nice, very good, I like it. Let's back to Brevidy. So guys, let me show how to change caption styles. Go to style and as you can see style, let's click for choose other styles. For example, I will use this style with black background. Let's click for choose and press is loaded. So for see captions, select this caption layer and go to FX control and move to position. Let's see. Hey everyone, my name is Nijat and welcome to my new video. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's back to Brevidy and we can customize text here with settings. And for example, we can change all positions here, paddings, scale and block animation, size animations. And let's click here for choose font. We can search here, for example, Helvetica, and let's select Helvetica for change font. I can see font style here and let's go to up and change scale like this. Let's change scale more. Okay, pretty good. And we can add drop shadows here. Let's click this checkbox for enable and open here. We can choose colors, opacity, distance, angle and softness. Also, we had two important things: active text and highlight text. So this active text, I mean this show with black background, and we can change again scale, animation style and tracking and text style, stroke and word background. For example, let's change scale 200. As you can see here, font size it changed. Let's back to again 100. Okay, also text background and stroke color and stroke width. For use highlight text, let's click X, back to Brevidy, and we can see this icon highlight tool. Let's click here and suggest highlights. Let's click for generate AI highlights. Okay, we can see highlights, show and create and caption button, Brevidy and jump works. And also we can select highlights like this and here, and we can see my highlights background is yellow. And for change these settings, go to again style and on highlight text we can change text color here. Let's click like this and select red, click X, and we can see text is changed. Stroke width, let's change 10. Okay, that's good. In this video I will show you how. Nice, and we can see we have two highlights here, show and create, and here Nijat and welcome. Let's click X and let's uncheck welcome. Okay, and we have highlights everyone, Nijat and show, create, and let's click ready and start it. And let's preview again. Hey everyone, my name is Nijat and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to create captions with just one button. For create captions, we will use Brevidy. If you are ready, let's jump in and see how it works. Let's get started. So guys, finally let me show official website Brevidy.pro, and we can see all features updates on this website. Also we can watch this video how to create captions for detailed video and AutoCAD and media tool. I recommend you check these three videos for useful Brevidy plugin. And we have three packages: first, Captioner, Producer and Enterprise. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck.